quieto, kayo para pwede caminar. Está quieto, pongan ahí. ¿Cuándo tú quieres? Pasito a pasito, suave suavecito, lo vamos pegando.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As we are about to commence this morning's ceremony, I would like to invite
Ma'am, excuse me po, ma'am. Thank you.
Good morning. In behalf of 2M Construction and Development Corporation, I'm turning over this key of responsibility for the 2-story, 10-classroom school building built in accordance with the plans and specification to the District Engineer's Office, headed by Engineer Peñaflor, my very strict inspector, and the Honorable Engineer Choli Montaño Roble. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of our Regional Director, George Sebastian Jr., Department of Public Works and Highways, I humbly accept this symbolic key for the completion of the 2-story, 10-classroom school building project here in Cabaluay National High School. From the contractor 2M, represented by Architect Ging Gallinero, closely supervised by our project engineer Antonio Peñaflor. This project is funded under the Basic Educational Facilities Fund, Batch 9 in 2016, with an allocation of 12,717,000 pesos. So at this point in time, I would like to respectfully turn over this symbolic key to our very supportive and well-respected Honorable Manuel Dalipe, Congressman of the 2nd Congressional District, this city. Sir.
In behalf of the national government under President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, and also of the 2nd Congressional District of the City of Zamboanga, I, Representative Manuel Manix Dalipe, would like to turn over the symbolic key to our barangay and subsequently to our Department of Education, this 2-story, 10-classroom school building to be used by our senior high school and junior high school of Cabaluay National High School.
On behalf of the barangay government of Cabaluay, please take care of this. This is rarely given to our small school. So,
thank you. So, on behalf of the school's division superintendent,
The principal of this school, Cabaluay National High School.
So, ang gagawin natin, kami from the different agencies, no, from Congressman Dalipe, the barangay captain.
Thank you very much, Mr.
Thank you very much. Please take your seat. Buenos dias. Good morning. Congressman Manix Dalipe is happy to be here. Habla pa si Budget. Better morning. I was just talking with our ever dearest barangay chairman. Abdali, 2007 galito kaya keda vice mayor. Abdali, 10 years ago. Abdali, correct el tiempo. No, that was 10 years ago. Abdali na, wala, hindi pa kita keda itsura bimbi o gayot. No? Time flies so fast. No? Elis Panta, gali, no? 10 years ago gali kaya keda Vice Mayor. And today, 2017, I'm happy to be back. Of course, with the help of the people of the 2nd District of Zamboanga, as your representative, as your congressman in the 17th Congress for the 2nd District of Zamboanga City. I'd like to acknowledge again our Barangay Chairman, the Honorable Rafael Basilio Apolinario. Congressman, yang mga tamin, supri, kaya bakil ka natin yung training, dumay nagitamin sa nombre. At that time, tan training nyo, abla pakil taman, train ka namun, ara ka chance. Chene kami mandama, entra na, kung sa kalo? Imbornal, chene niya. Also, I'd like to acknowledge our school principal, Mr. Mujim Abdurrahim, school principal. Our partner, my partner in the development, particularly in the implementation of the infrastructure projects of the national government, our district engineer, hindi tamen kita biya, antes ang sinarli, hasta ara, Engineer Choli Robleto, kita mano kung engineer. Galie Nero. Let's give a round of applause to architect. I was telling her, because about a few weeks ago, abitsin na kami ni Sita, ma-turn over kita na kuruan. Siguro na ma-schedule niya lang kita next week. Also, our 3 years ago, I was the GPTA president of Tetuan Central School. So, mga kwento about DepEd, kung dutang kwento yung secretary kabaya, ang tahutik sikap, kaya pwede daw initially usa, ya po nakita niya como covered court, donde stage, no? Na Cabaluay luego gale birayo provay kan escucha alya. Si ketal el covered court. Aquel para na stage ya dale si Congressman Manix Dalipe. I'd like to acknowledge El Diatun Elementary School Principal Maria Socorro Linaw. Ito kita manok, ma'am. Tan review ulit otra vez galing el DepEd. Kaya igol at sa istorya si Captain Nebes, ginda na otro eskwela. And then naman tamin yun, no? I also understand the Department of Education because they handle not only 200 or 300 schools. They handle thousands of schools from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And when you're at the central office, holder pati envelope, so they have to verify. But nevertheless, it was Pedro's Congressman Manix Dalipe, mais nataabla, ng mga absinun. Preso, as the Congressman si Manix Dalipe, from the first session of the 17th Congress, Congress, 17th Congress de Talamang, until made representations and already submitted the listing for school buildings or classrooms with central office of the Department of Education, Department of Public Works and Highways to implement it. So today we're very happy to be here. I'm also happy to be here, and I hope more will be coming for District 2 of Zamboanga City. And just from here, Barangay Cabaluay, Sales Ediaton Highway, ayan na budget-wise na Veterans Avenue para con ustedes na District 2. O baka tan-imagine ka sila, pakilayan mo kaya aquí donde Cosateki Grotto, pasa sa Ediaton Highway, allí cerca na Talabaan, then Mercedes. Liga Mercedes, Travesa Separa, Sambuud. Liga Sambuud, poni kita puente para Mampang. O por eso alegre aquí. Si tiene que de Tukbungan, Talon-Talon, Mampang, pwede yaman shortcut. Plus aquel tamira do otro día, ve manada galikali housing, donde police less than 3,000 houses will benefit from our highway. So from here, aquí donde Grotto, cerca yun na Teachers Village, Corese, pasa con el diaton nuevo proposed near the proposed airport na punta over. So, ayan. So it will pass there, Sambuud, bridge to Mampang, Mampang, crossase para Talon-Talon, pasa para Tukbungan, morning breeze, then loop, then hopefully, eventually, with God's will, we will connect it to Veterans Avenue. Para si estaba ustedes, example, ayan na, training center, na San Jose, ayan na Zamboanga Central School, pwede ito man shortcut allí. Hindi ito pasa na Santa Cruz, ayan na Tetuan Highway donde Coca-Cola, Giwan, Emputik. Pwede ito pasa allí donde Veterans, sale to Veterans, Korea separa, budget-wise Veterans para Mampang, then eventually sale aquí. Ese, uno del diaton mga upcoming projects taase de ustedes Congressman Manix Dalipe with the national government under President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. And also covered court from the office of Congressman Manix Dalipe. Bemucho ka to covered court kikap. Ha? Siguro este ka barangay bemana. Ha? Chene pa gym, chene pa na elementary, chene na high school. But nevertheless, todos no? Si chene pa kita mga otro eskwela, o takiyaman ng mga otro principal, tawi. Si chene ustedes wish ng 2019 to have that covered court requirement, kay tabla kumigo aral yan na Manila, debe asigat kita entero. Doon 425 square meters uno basketball court para entero ba? No provide to midi-midi, si Sab Chenella ko sakal, take measure o pulgadera, media derecho, kabe ba ali? O chene ba to maestro ken sabe, midi, ko sakal, sinusabi ang measurement, ko sa tablara, mang Google niya lang, Google, standard size, basketball court, nakayalya kita ang base diaton, covered court, and next, dali ko no sa tip, si Kerry ustedes, atra kay kungkap, kung el kagawad, abla pwede ba kita sa barangay resolution.
Gracias también contigo, Congressman Manix Dalipe. Now, to break the monotony, let us using the Abdulahir, Angelica El Sabeda, and Arolene C. Gutierrez at the same time, the signing of acceptance and turnover certificate. We would like to acknowledge the school principal of Manitaan National High School, Dr. Ernie Mondejar. Good morning, ma'am, and welcome to Cabaluay National High School.
Kasi mag-source tayo ng Arriba. Saan may mag-source na pa ako? Todo sa Arriba. Bawal ko sa kayo. Jeremy's. Duro, dati. Masakit ganyan Bangkot-bangkot man.
Excuse best. Best yan ang yung abla.
Okay. Ang mga dalaga. Hermana,
Sign lang. Okay. Yeah. See. Wow.
Area. Uno pa.
10 classroom, 2 story. Dos, kanya lente, 24, touch and follow. Dos more, Please sign the suyo. Swing. Ako yung relic. Yeah, picture tayo. What's up, babe? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.